Hello, welcome back everybody. In this video we're gonna look on how to configure an Agentforce service agent in Salesforce. So here on the top you're gonna go for the setup, and in the setup click on the Einstein setup in the quick search bar, and in the Einstein setup make sure you enable this turn on Einstein, and then look for the agent bots. So this is one more thing that you have to turn on, so make sure you turn on this as well. So far we have turned on two things, Einstein and Einstein bots. Okay, so as soon as you turn that on, the bots are enabled, Einstein is enabled on your organization in Salesforce. Next, let's go down and enter agents, and agents are inside Einstein generative AI. So come here and make sure you enable Einstein as well, so the agents as well. So here on the top you'll see that on button, so make sure you turn on that as well. In that way you're turning on three things here: Einstein agents, and Einstein Copilot for Salesforce. Once these are turned on, your entire AI in the Salesforce is been activated and they are ready to use. Next, go into the quick find, and then enter embedded service deployments. So there select ESA web development. So this is something which is already there. This is like a web development page there, and click on publish to republish with the latest additions. Note that the deployment can take up to 10 minutes, but no need to wait. Proceed to the next steps. So next steps here will be publishing the Experience Cloud site. So in preparation for the deployment, get Experience Cloud site ready for the new agent. So in the quick search bar, again search for digital experience in the quick find, and select all sites. Click builder next to the Coral Cloud site. If a pop-up appears, click OK, and we're gonna click publish in the upper right corner. Click publish in the confirmation window, and then click. This is how the preview looks, but right now we're gonna just explore a little bit here, not really, just for playing around. And click on publish, and click on publish again, and click on got it, and it will take some time to publish. Yeah, here it goes. Click on got it, and click the experience builder menu on the top left, and click Salesforce setup, which is at the very top, third option, and create a new agent. So adding a new agent is as simple as clicking a button and adding details. So in the setup quick find, search for and select agents. Click on new agent. Inside this, once you land on the agents page, click on the new agents on the top right. In the agent details, in the label, add my first agent, just for a sample demo purpose here, and a fun way to learn how to build my first agent as the description, just something for the demonstration of the video, and leave the other options as is and click create. So in this way you're gonna create new agent. Now let's configure the agent. Now that you know how to create a brand new agent, you can adjust a previously created agent by adding topics and actions to the agent. In other words, if a client asks about a topic, what actions should the agent produce, right? So in this way, let's do that now. With the agent studio still open, select Coral Cloud agent, and select Coral Cloud agent, and then click open in builder. Click the drop down and select new topic. Dismiss that. Click on the drop down here and select new topics. So this is how you add topics to the agent. So in the model, configure the start elements as follows. In the topic label, add experience management. In the classification description, enter something like this: topic addresses custom inquiries and issues related to the booking experience at Coral Cloud Resort, including making reservations, modifying bookings, and answering queries about experience details. And in the scope, the agent's job is to assist users in navigating and managing books for different experiences offered by Coral Cloud Resort, ensuring a seamless customer service experience by providing accurate information and resolving issues promptly. In the instructions, if a customer would like to know more information on an experience, you should search for the related experience underscore underscore C record and let them know more. So note, and click next, and here select identify object by name, identify object record by name, and query record, and summarize record. These are all the topics that we need to select that should associate with this action, and click on finish. If necessary, confirm that you are about to use Einstein by clicking on got it in the slide bar. While still in the agent builder, click refresh the circular arrow on the top right corner of the conversation preview. In that way, that refreshes. Enter the prompt in the describe your task or ask a question dialog box at the bottom. Type bottom right bottom. Can you let me know more about the full moon beach party experience? Some query, right? Something like that. And press enter or return key and notice the response, which gives information about the party. If necessary, respond yes for more details about the party experience. And note, the agent's response is accurate but still needs some refining. So here, and I'm gonna select yes. Just type in yes and I'll click enter here. So that will give me some more information. That's it, I got it. Now let's configure the generate personalized schedule prompt. This is a new topic. So here, add parameters on how the agent should interact with the Coral Cloud clients. Click the back arrow to return to setup. In the setup, search and select prompt builder. In the quick find, let's select for prompt builder, search and select, and click generate personalized schedule under all prompt templates, the last option here. And let's configure the prompt as follows. In the prompt template workspace, the value has to be present the list of resort activities happening today that matches the guest interest. For clarity, use a bullet list for each activity. Include name, time, location, and duration on a single line. Do not include the date. Tell the guest to reach out if they would like to book any of these activities. List of activities happening today that matches the guest interest. And then I'm going to provide the Apex personalized guest experience dot prompt as a parameterized variable here. To select that parameter, go to the resource and select Apex. In the Apex, the personalized guest experience is the variable I'm talking about, and I want the prompt inside that. So dot prompt is something you have to write. And after this, click save as drop down in the top right of the builder and select save as a new version. Let's test this. So in the preview panel, select Sophia Rodriguez as the contact. Click preview and see the populated resolution and responses. If you get them right, then go ahead and click on activate on the top right of the screen. Now let's create a custom agent action with a prompt. The Agentforce service agents needs to be able to give personalized recommendation based on the current contact schedule. The client shouldn't get a recommendation of a client for jet skiing if they already have that experience booked. So for that, click on the black arrow and button to navigate to setup, and here in the setup quick find, search for agent actions, and here click new agent action to create new action and select prompt template as the refined action type and select generate personalized schedule as the reference action. Note that not seeing the generated personalized schedule prompt template option in the reference action selector, return to the generate personalized schedule prompt template and ensure it is activated. You know how to go there, setup, prompt builder, generate personalized schedule, and then activate. Leave the other options as it is and click next. So configure the instructions as follows here. Here in the agent action instruction, generate a personalized schedule that includes the time and location of the resort experience that are available today and that matches the guest interest. And in the contact input instruction, contact for which the personalized schedule should be generated must be a valid JSON representing the contact information chained from having executed the query record action. And then note the instructions are used by the agent to understand what the action do and what is needed as input and output. From the prompt response output, check show in conversation. Check that box to show in conversation and then click on finish. Now let's create a custom agent action with Flow. When the agent provides excellent recommendations and client wants to book an experience, what should happen? Hint. So here the agents will create a new record within Salesforce. So how to do that? Click on another new action because it's an action by clicking the new agent action, and here select Flow as the preference action type. So in the flow, select create experience session booking and leave other options as is and click next. Here for contact ID, check require input. For guest, check required input and collect the data from user. For session ID, check require input. For booking of output, select show in conversation for the booking output, and for output message output, check show in conversation and click finish. Now let's talk about assigning the custom action to that agent, to the agent. Put all the pieces together and add the custom action to the Agentforce service agent. In the setup quick find, search for the select agents and select Coral Cloud agent here, and open and click on open in builder, and click the experience management topic and click this topic's action subtab, experience management, and select the other tab, this topic's action, and click add action icon. Add a check to the create experience session booking action and the generate personalized schedule action. These both, create experience session booking and the generated personalized schedule, these are the two actions we have just created before, and we are adding them to this, and then click finish. Click the topic configuration subtab, going back to the topic configuration tab, and click new instruction. Let's give a couple of instructions here. Since we have added two actions, we have to give instructions on what those actions does. So click on the new instruction, and the first instruction, when a customer requests a list of recommended experience sessions, first retrieve their contact record. Pass this record into generate personalized schedule actions contact input to return a list of relevant experience available for booking. After this instruction, make sure you click new instruction again, and then in the next instruction you put in, when a customer requests to book an experience, first locate a session C record that corresponds to the desired date and experience C they wish to book. So experience C and session C are the parameters or variables. Then use the create experience session booking action to complete the booking. Ensure that you pass the session __ CID, not the experience __ CID. This we have to make it clear in the instructions. Note that there should now be a total of 3 instructions, with one already being there. Now click on save, click on refresh, the circular arrow on the top right of the conversations preview. Now let's test this. Now let's enter the prompt like, can you tell me, can you let me know if there are any experiences I, Sophia, might be interested in today? Something like that. After we get a response, now enter the prompt as follows: can you book Sophia into the beach boot camp challenge for today? And press enter or return key. You may tweak the instructions until you get the correct results. If you get them, now you can click on activate. Deploy the agent to your customers. Next, set the user profile to the agent and embed the agent to an experience cloud site. So how to do that? Click on the back arrow button to navigate back to the agent setup. And these are all the instructions that the flows that actions, reasoning, and agent response that you see. Anyways, once you test this, if you feel comfortable, let's move forward on deploying the agent to your customers. So click on the back button and then click on Coral Cloud agent. First you have to type in agent. Inside the agents, go into the Coral Cloud agent and click edit icon next to the agent user field. And to click edit, you have to click on that pencil button there and change it to the custom agent user. And once you select that, select for Coral Cloud agent and click the check mark to save again. In that way you can save it back. Coral Cloud user. Note that the agent will now use the security profile such as create, read, update and delete operations on objects in the org of the custom agent user. Now the next step, add the agent to the Coral Cloud site. How to add this agent? So search for the digital experience in the setup quick find and select all sites, and then after selecting all sites, click builder next to the Coral Cloud site. So here click the components widget, the thunder icon on the left top, search embedded messaging and drag and drop the component over the book and experience for a lifetime session. So note that exact placement is up to you, and it may take a few seconds for the component to appear. As soon as you drag and drop that to the book and experience, the middle one, you will get a dialog box of the embedded messaging on the top right, as you see. Now no need to leave the default settings. Click the publish on the upper right corner, click publish in the confirmation window and just click on got it. Since we completed this step, now view the agent as a customer. The big reveal, right? Time to interact with how your new Agentforce service agents are performing. Click the experience builder menu on the top left and select view Coral Cloud to open the published portal cloud site. Note it may take a few minutes for the site to publish. Go ahead and verify the challenges below, like you're trying to click that chat button there and then enter the prompts like what activities are there at the resort, right? So please note it will take few minutes. For me, while doing this session, this recording, it took like almost 5 to 8 minutes, and then my query was successfully answered. If you try it early, you might get some response that the word activities, it couldn't find anything or something like that. So please wait, you will get a confirmation email that it's been published. Only then you go and test it. If you still don't find it or get the response as you wanted, then go and publish this site again so that it will refresh and give you the right response. That's what happened to me. And after some time I'm getting the right response. Now let's go and type our second prompt. What dining experience does the resort offer? With this prompt, it has to give me the right response again. With this, we conclude our session on how to configure an Agentforce service agent and how to build your first agent with Agentforce. Congratulations. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next video.